Good morning. Do you know what day is today? Is today Monday? Mm-mm. Tuesday? Mm-mm. Wednesday? Is the third day. I want to apologize because of my noisy voice because I used to scream a lot, but it's just that I am so happy to be here. But I'm going to control myself, okay? So I will speak normal. I don't want to bother you, okay? Bother daddies or nothing, okay, mommies. Don't worry. I'm not gonna speak louder than this, okay? I promise. I'm sorry. Ya no voy a hablar tan fuerte. Perdón, es que me emociono. Bueno, okay, let's go over our booklet, okay? Today we're gonna be doing page 17 and it is activity 14, vocabulary, okay? Those are words, palabras. Okay, match the words with the pictures. Dice, une las palabras con las imágenes. We have right here the word to the right. If we go to the right here, I don't know if you can see the word wheels. So let's find the wheels. Okay, we have them right here down, the very last ones. I don't know if I can, no, I can't. Okay, those are wheels. Okay, now the word, oh my God, I can't now. The second one is up. Let's find up. Is this one. Very good. Up. Then town, where people lives, right here. Up. Town. Very good. Then down. Down. Okay, we have it right here. Okay, people. Las personitas que están ahí, those are people. Bus. The very first one. Okay, guys, you just have to match it. You can use different colors so you can distinguish and it will be better for you. It's going to be funner. Okay, so that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow. I promise you I will not scream and I will not scream a lot. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.